Here are 7 proven ads to get leads as a video agency, based on over $4 million that I've personally spent on our businesses and millions of dollars more on our client businesses. And I tell you that so you know that this isn't based on theory, but instead based on what we've personally spent our own money on and used to generate tons and tons of leads for our business. So first up, client case study ads. Typically this can either be in person or on something like riverside.fm, so you have good quality, but having your client, interviewing them on what was it like working with us? What was the result that you felt you got? How did you end up finding us? What did you think about our content before you hired us? Asking questions like this puts your prospect in the mind of a customer that already got results with you, and it demonstrates results and proof over promise, which is much more effective than making claims in your ads. Number 2, static call out ads. These are typically just text on a black or white background, being very, very direct, saying, hey, if you run a medical practice doing over $100,000 a month, we want to help you scale. Sub out medical practice for any other person that you might be working with. But this works really well because it's a very direct offer, and audiences that are in need and in pain see this and respond immediately. And when you run this in conjunction with the other ad, the case study ad, which I'll tell you more about that at the end, it's very, very effective because they see this type of ad and the case study ad and the other ads that I'm going to go through in this video. Number 3, direct offer video talking head ads. These are very simple, but similar to the static image ad, it's a direct video of you on camera or someone from your company on camera talking about directly what you do and how you help people. So we start with hooking and qualifying, saying, hey, if you're a medical company doing over $100,000 a month and you're not getting as many patients as you want, we're talking about the pain, you're tired of relying on referrals and the inconsistency that comes with walk-ins and waiting for patients to come to you, we will install an XYZ type of system, video system, to get you more patients so that you can grow your practice. If you want to learn more, click the link below, schedule a call with our team, and we'll be happy to see if we can help. That's an example of a direct offer talking head ad. It's basically the video form of what I just showed you earlier. Number 4, educational carousel ads. In these, you want to teach something that you are an expert or have authority on in a carousel ad. You can use something like Canva to design this. An example might be 5 steps to generate leads using video content for medical companies. You want to demonstrate your expertise because when you can teach somebody something, they automatically look up to you and trust you more because you taught them something. These are very, very underrated. Most people are just asking for the sale and they're not educating their market in any way, shape, or form, because what happens is when a medical company doing 100K a month or 300K a month or $1 million a month sees an ad like this, they learn more about what it is that you do, they trust you, and they say, hey, I don't want to do that myself, so I'm just going to hire this person, which is you, because they already trust you based on what you taught them. Number 5, podcast style ads. This can be a real podcast, a fake podcast, essentially just you looking off camera, talking about the subject that you are an expert in. And the reason that these work really well is because they are not as direct looking down the barrel of the lens. It's a little bit more passive, which gives audiences a little bit more of a passive view into your expertise and how you can actually help them solve their problem. Number 6, aspirational POV style ads. These work very, very well. Typically, we're just using some sort of B-roll that's relevant to the actual target audience that we're serving. For example, if you're working with home service companies, it might be like a construction site, and then the text over top, POV, you installed a video content system to get more clients, or some aspirational statement that is talking about where they will be once they work with you. These work really, really well because it's not only an organic trend, but it also shows them where they could be if they decided to work with you. And finally, number 7, UGC style talking head ads. This could be you on a green screen background with the Notes app pulled up behind you talking about the top 5 mistakes that medical companies make when making video ads or any other problem that they have. The trick here is you want it to look like an organic piece of content so it doesn't look like an ad. Most consumers and businesses are tired of seeing ads, and so when you can make them look more organic, you have a better chance at breaking through the feed and actually reaching the right people because you don't look like everybody else. Now, if you want our help making these types of ads, running these types of ads, and implementing a system like this into your video or creative agency, you can click the link below. I have a short free video on the next page, and below that, you can apply to work with us on that page. Hopefully this was helpful.